Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both modalities, images and short text captions. Download or compile a balanced dataset because Clip learns join embeddings from paired examples. Make sure you have 0. 5K samples per class when possible. Next, pick a Clip variant that fits your GPU memory and load pre-trained weights to accelerate convergence. Finally, install Python, PyTorch, TorchVision, and the Hugging Face libraries. Once done, verify CUDA and cuDNN to avoid runtime error. Now you fine-tune. Construct synchronized data loaders for images and captions, applying consistent resize, crop, and normalization to the model's expected mean and STD. Start by freezing parts of the visual or text encoder to stabilize training, then unfreeze progressively. Use a contrastive loss between image and text embeddings, a learning rate around 1E5 to 1E4, and batch sizes of 64 to 256, depending on memory. You should finish by evaluating with zero-shot classification and retrieval tasks so you can quantify real-world performance. Report top 1 and top 5 accuracy. When ready to deploy, convert the model to ONCs or Torch script and apply quantization or pruning for faster inference. If something goes wrong, like poor alignment, inspect your data pairs for mismatches, reduce the learning rate, increase batch size, or unfreeze more layers. These steps often fix collapse or retrieval errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.